Hola, 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 mis amores. Today, tutorial look, it's brought from my bathroom. I am going to show you guys how I remove my makeup. A lot of you guys are asking me what kind of skincare I use and what I use to remove my makeup and what I use to as a skincare routine. And this is my day-to-day skincare routine, what I use every day. Some of the products are substitution of other products because I did run low. So these are some of them, like my makeup remover is my backup. My facial wipes, my facial wipe is my backup also. But the skincare is the one I use every day. I am placing an order and I will put in the links below what I exactly use every day. But these are good alternative when I do not have my own skincare or the one that I use on a day-to-day basis. These are a good alternative what I use. If you could tell, I always use my glasses. I know when I do my makeup tutorial, I don't use my glasses, but I love these glasses. I look so chic. I look so beautiful. I feel slick. Hi. And then with my other glasses, which are my dark black ones, I feel more like sophisticated. I feel more professional. I feel like I could go into a board meeting. I'm not saying I don't feel like I could go into a board meeting with this. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that with the other ones, I don't know. It's like two different personalities and personas I play. But I will remove my glasses, and if you guys could tell, I had a long day today. I do have makeup. So what I do is I use facial wipes. The ones I'm using today is the all-in-one makeup remover by Neutrogena. The one I usually use is from Amway facial wipes remover. I use those ones, but I placed my order for tomorrow, so I should be getting it within the next couple of days. So what I do is I go in under my eyes, on top, under on my cheeks, over here, right here. Every time I remove makeup, I always feel like ugh, I'm taking off my mask. And that's how I feel, I'm taking off my mask. And then I do my neck. You can tell, look guys, look how dirty that is of foundation. I go here, I continue. I usually only use one wipe because I'm still gonna be removing my makeup with makeup remover, with the cleanser. Then I go in with the Neutrogena oil-free makeup eye remover, and this I use for my eyes. And I go in with little sponges, sponges. You could get them at the dollar store. You could get them at Shoppers. You could get them at any pharmaceutical. It's like any little sponges that you use for makeup remover. I apply a good amount. Oops, not that great of an amount. And then I apply under my eyes. On my eyes. And then it takes away my makeup on my eyes. Then I do the other side. And I remove the makeup off of my eyes. Off my eyes, not out of my eyes, off my eyes. Then this is how it looks. A lot of people is like, oh, I already removed the makeup out of my eyes. I already cleaned my face, but your face is not fully clean. I bet you if I go through again with one of the wipes, my face will not be fully clean. Like, I want to show you guys. If you guys are going to be putting heavy makeup like I do, and you guys don't clean your face with a good facial routine or facial cleanse, guys, you will get pimples. You will break out. You will see. Like, this is what I'm showing you guys. This is a clean sponge. This is toner. Toner is supposed to be taking any excess residue off. Look, like, places that I supposedly am already clean. Look, that is still dirty. My face is still dirty. After all that I did, my face is still dirty. So I like to clean my face primarily, like clean it completely clean. I go in, I wet my face, my neck, and I go in, I use the Artistry products. I use this Artistry skincare. I love Artistry, if you guys could tell. I'm obsessed with them. They're a really good brand. I'm obsessed with them. I use the 3-step one. All of them are 3 steps, to be honest with you. Majority of them are 3 steps. All of them are 3 steps. You should always have a 3-step skin routine. It should be a cleanser, a toner, and a cream. I put my cream in the morning. I put my cream at nighttime. That's just me. I put in, this is how it looks. I put in that much. And then I go in again. And then I start applying all over my face. On my neck. And this is how you know I'm doing it well. Like, I'm basically baiting myself. And I apply it on my face. Right here. Like, because I put bronzer up here. So I do it right here. Right here. Right here. On my nose. Around my mouth. Cheeks. Right here. Right here. And then I clean my face. I wash my face. Oh. My neck. After this, I dry my face. I always have a towel and hand over here. I dry my face. I hang my towel back. After I'm done this is how it looks. It looks very clean, if you guys could tell. You guys are like, oh, she's getting up in my business. No, I'm not. But after this, I applied the toner. Like you guys saw when I showed you how I look without the toner. So I applied the toner. It's a clean sponge. I apply toner on it, on this clean sponge. And then I apply all over my face. Under my, right here, right here. On my neck. Under my eyes, right here, right here. Around my nose, because that's where I tend to break out more. And look, I am still dirty. After I did all that work, I am still dirty. So I just try going in. After that, I get another sponge. And I apply more toner. And got one sort of under my eye. And look guys, I'm not lying to you guys. Look, like seriously, I am literally clean. After I do that, I let it dry a little. I apply my lotion. I apply a good amount. Never go stingy, guys. Never be like, oh, I need to save. It's your face. You always need to take care of your face. Don't care. Spend money on your face, but also spend money on a good skincare product. And then I apply it here, and this is what I do every night. To remove my face, to remove my makeup, I do this every night. I feel refreshed. Look how beautiful my face feels. It feels beautiful. I feel refreshed. I feel great. I feel like my face is, I keep doing this because I'm like fanning myself. I feel like my face it feels clean. Like, and that's one thing your face should feel. It should feel clean every night when you go to sleep. You should never go to sleep with makeup. You should never go to sleep with any type of products, chemical on your face, because then what will happen in 2 to 3 days? You will break out, and you don't want to break out. And that's what I'm telling you guys. Spend money on your skincare. Spend money on your stuff. Look, we have a guest speaker. A guest. It's Emma. Say hi, Emma. Say hi to the camera. Hi. She's like, who am I saying hi to? There's nobody here, just you. But yes, guys, so mis amores, I wish you all the best. Good night, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Bye.